Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Today I just need to show off my Lion Brand haul so that I can get working on my Halloween scarf because I needed the special yarn that was coming from Lion Brand, and it has come early enough on this Wednesday the 25th that I think I can get it done in time for Halloween. So I'm going to show that off, and also show off just a Jiffy hat I made last night, and I will post a couple pictures showing off the hat I made, and then I'm in the midst of making a scarf to go with it for my granddaughter. So now this poor package really saw better days. I'm assuming it didn't look like this when it left Lion Brand. So fortunately, if my yarn is dented, it should resume the normal size at some point. I feel like they tried to fit a little too much in this box, though. Possibly. Hopefully it is okay. Oofda. All right, let's see what we got. So for the reason that I stopped at the scarf I was making is because the yarns that I was using, the white and the I think it's cinnamon or something. Anyway, they were slightly different gauge yarns. So hopefully the yarns for this kit are closer and will I don't know, this might have the same sort of issues. We'll see. So here we've got basic stitch, and it's a basic stitch anti-pilling, 185 yards. I can't see the color, so I've got to open it. Doesn't open. I mean, there's not an opening. Okay. So, Lion Brand Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 185 yards, 170 meters. It's a 4-weight, 100% acrylic, machine washable, and dryable. And it is, I believe it's really darker than it's coming across on the camera, but what's the color? Pumpkin. So you know what color that's supposed to be, right? All right. Now here's what was in the kit. Glow yarn. It's DIY glow from Lion Brand. And this says it's a 4-weight also. I don't know, guys. I think I'm going to have the same issue I had with the other one, but they obviously made their project out of it. And it's an ecru, which is kind of eggshell-ish, right? So 2 of the glows, and this should get me 2 ghosts on the scarf. And then I have 3 of these to make the scarf out of. So that is for my Halloween project and my graph practice. Then I got this for my daughter's classroom. It is Mandala Craft Cake, and it's 8 craft cakes. So there's a total of 709 yards in here. Wow. And they're little, oh, I thought it was going to be different colors. They're little cakes. That's kind of cute, though. But there's 2 of each colorway, it looks like. And then the last 2 colorways are Oh, they have hearts. See, I didn't notice that right off. I just thought they were misshapen. Because, I mean, look at the box. Oops. It's easy to push the center right out of there. All right. This is a very pretty color combination, and so is this. This one I'm not quite as fond of, but it's not bad. And then, of course, you know, if you like pink at all, this is always a good color combo. All right, so the deal with this is it's 81 meters, 88 yards per cake. Does that come out to 709 yards? 88 times 8 ends in 4, 64. Huh, I don't know. I have to use a calculator, I guess. I haven't been able to do, so they have project ideas on their website under lionbrand.com/mandala craft cakes. So we'll have to see what's on there, see if there's something my daughter wants to do with her class. I thought she might appreciate this. So, machine washable, dryable, 3-weight. So it's just regular mandala. It's just in a very little cake. Cute. All right, and then the last thing I got is Jingle. This is the mandala string, which, you know, I am making a shawl out of, and I don't have enough to finish the shawl. So I had to buy some more. So this is called a 1-weight, but it actually does not work up like a 1-weight to me, okay? But it is makes a very nice fabric when you're stitching it. So I was surprised that I really like this yarn because I don't typically like lightweight stuff. So here you can see the colorway is a little bit rolled a little differently, but these are all the same colorway. So it has a beautiful fuchsia in red, goes to orange, goes to brown. There's kind of a light tan in there somewhere, and then it rolls back around to the brighter colors again. It's really beautiful. So you will see more of that shawl as I go along. So I got 6 of those. And that is my Lion Brand yarn haul. I'm trying to only buy things that have a specific purpose because I have lots of yarn to use. So that's what we're working with. And I have to get busy on that darn Halloween scarf. I only have a week to go. So 6 days. So, and I'm really hoping this is cool looking in glow in the dark. 4-weight, I don't think so. I mean, it looks like the mandala string to me, but it's just me. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.